Hi, folks. So another one of our work scopes for our Phase 2 preservation project that's going to be upcoming is to redo our ADA accessibility here at the Mansion House. What we currently have is a wooden ADA ramp, but unfortunately, as you look up there, 3 stories up, there are eaves and dormers that hang over this ramp, and in the wintertime, snow and ice build up so thick and so powerful that it comes crashing down on this ramp, so we have to rope the ramp off, and it's inaccessible instead of ADA accessible. So one of the solution, the solution we have for this is we're going to revamp our sidewalks. We're going to make a brand new concrete ADA compliant ramp up the south facade of the lounge here, and it's going to have a brick facade to match the facade of the lounge on the forefront. And it will come right up to the existing porch here, where we will also be reworking the roof system on that porch.
Your donations to the Phase 2 Saving the Mansion House campaign can make this new ADA accessible ramp a reality. This way we can welcome all of our guests to the Mansion House for events, for museum tours, and to experience community right here at the Mansion House.